So is there a thing on here that goes?
No.
Tell me about your shirt.
I do airbrushing here. We do custom shirts for all the tourists that come into town.
You mean like?
That's what I'm talking about. That's it, baby, just like that.
Ooh, balls. Balls. Did you go in for a tattoo?
I'm just going for a tattoo now, actually.
So that means if somebody takes out a... they want colors.
No colors.
What's up, man? You want to come with us? Oh, this is Hooters. Oh, okay.
My name is Silk.
Silk. This is Silk. And you are?
Hawaiian Silk.
So, you know, Silk, for you, I'd have to go. Silk. Hawaiian Silk.
Hawaiian Silk in the house.
Oh, wait, it's not running. Sorry, just thinking. Can you honk us once?
Hey, do that one.
All right, you win. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? I love to. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you, man.
Police Academy, right? You're the
Yeah.
guy with the funny voice.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you? I love you too. Hello, baby. I do that, that's fitness. I love it. It's the best thing I know. That's it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Only here. You do get it all here in Vegas.
Can't do that one. Oh, let's go. Yo, hey yo, I freestyle for free, but never for a fee. They be asking me how you get so fly. I be like, why? Ask why? Because I'm looking like I'm that little guy. I'm just chilling, y'all.
If you really want more, you got to tune in to 702.